You got it. That's nice.
Beautiful smell.
Right, it smells like some sort of a mixture of fruity and spicy.
I think it would be a good fragrance for me. Very nice.
I think it's a very fresh and fruity kind of scent.
I think it's quite sweet. Ooh, flowery. Very nice.
It smells good, you know? It's very heavy, it's very thick, it's very flowery.
It's a depth. It's super interesting, actually. Yeah, and it's like layers. I can feel that.
Oh, that definitely makes me smile.
Freedom. Pretty empowered, actually.
Happy.
I would say warm.
I mean, I feel kind of happy. I would say confident.
Juicy luxuries, I would say.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, I would.
I would definitely buy for my wife.
Yes, for sure.
Yes.
Yes, yes, I would. I like it. As I said, it's a feminine, very feminine fragrance that it does appeal to me. Yes, I would say that's very much to my taste.
Absolutely. I really would. I think I would wear it in the summer. Yeah, in the summer when I'm outside, having a nice colorful dress on, sandals, sunglasses. Yes.